Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at prepositions. And as you know, we love prepositions in English. So today, I thought we'd look at the preposition with, and we can use it to describe a part of someone's body. A small boy with red hair came into the shop. A small boy with red hair came into the shop. Our science teacher is a short man with a long beard. Susanna is a pretty girl with blue eyes. John was talking to a man with a big nose. Very English. And we can also use with to describe animals. For example, a rabbit is an animal with long ears and a small tail. English grammar, the preposition with to describe someone's body, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now. Big nose? How cheeky.